In this video, I will show you the step by step how I was able to catch this big fall on AUDUSD. So let's get started. On my AUD daily chart, I found this setup on the AUD daily chart where we have price was on a range. We are on a range for periods of time. Price was on a range. Then when price created this high and price came to close below this level, then price closed above this high, then price closed back down, then price later went back to that region and created this level. Then when price created this level, we also have a first breakout at this level and also have a first breakout at this level. When I saw this first breakout, I knew I was expecting our price would be moving down from this level, because this level, first of all, is a strong level. Then secondly, we now have this first breakout from that same level. So long we have this first breakout, these two levels, these two chart pattern in the same level, first breakout and this other head and shoulder pattern on the same level. What I did next was to did a top-down analysis from the monthly chart. I moved to the monthly chart. I saw that price was rejected from this monthly level here. Price rejected from this monthly resistance level. So long price rejected from this monthly resistance level, I knew that price would be moving down from this AUDUSD. When I saw that setup, the next thing I did was I moved back to my weekly chart. I also knew that price, I also saw that price closed on this resistance level. Then I checked the structure of the AUDUSD. When I checked the structure of the AUDUSD on the weekly chart, I saw price heading lower. So I have this lower low. Price was forming is on a range higher low. We have this series of levels, higher low. Then price later break this higher low and came down and break this lower low level. Price come to break this lower low level. So after price break this lower low level and move back upward and started forming a range, which is a inner structure range. After price forming this inner structure range, I knew that from the downtrend structure I have from the weekly chart, I'll be expecting a big sell because of this same level is also a very strong level. This range resistance level on the weekly chart is also a strong significant level to also watch out for, which this bullish candlestick closed below. So long the price, this bullish candlestick closed below these levels and these levels, this shows that we are expecting a big push of price back to this support level. So when I saw this pattern, this candlestick pattern on the weekly chart, I knew that I'll be expecting a big fall on AUDUSD. So I moved back to my daily chart. After price closed on this resistance, I moved now to my 4-hour chart. When I moved to my 4-hour chart, I found this inside bar setup on the 4-hour chart. All I did was to place a set stop with my stop loss above this region, then with my target on that weekly level. You can see this is how I was able to cash this heavy drop on AUDUSD. You can also apply this method also on your chart. Once you see your head and shoulder pattern on the daily chart, then you can do your top-down analysis. And also, after doing your top-down analysis, you can go to your 4-hour chart to look up price action setup for you to take this particular trade setup. If you find this trade review helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more trading tips.